Meaning of dormitory.
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 Dormitory. A dormitory is a residence hall where students typically live while attending college or university. The term can also refer to a building or complex that houses workers or travelers. These facilities usually offer shared living spaces, such as bedrooms, bathrooms, and common areas. Some may also provide dining services and other amenities like laundry facilities and study spaces. Dormitories are designed to foster a sense of community among residents and provide an affordable housing option for those on a tight budget.